All right, let's see what we got here, guys.
Can we use this?
Let me have this manual.
Can we do the volcano?
We will do the volcano. Let me just find the volcano instructions. All right, let's find the volcano.
We already found it.
Where is it? Well, you found the piece, but I gotta find the instructions.
Oh, that's the volcano.
Yes.
Hey, what is these?
Volcano on page 8. All right, here it is. All right, so let's see. We're gonna need
Is it my pinky?
fizzy equipment. We need a tray. We need a funnel.
I got the funnel.
No, that's not a funnel. This is the funnel.
What?
The purple. Yes, that is a funnel right there.
Funnel.
The mini volcano, you already have a measuring cylinder. This looks like our measuring cylinder. And a spatula. This will be our spatula. Then we need from the kit, we'll need baking soda. Was that this one? Yes. Baking soda. Yeah, I need you guys to not take things out without me being here with you. Move this. All right, we got the baking soda, red food color. Grab the red food color, yellow food color. Fantastic. Red food color, yellow food color. And the materials from home, we need water, vinegar, and a glass tumbler. Ooh. All right, we're gonna just use, we don't need that. We're gonna use this jar. Yes, everybody's gonna help together. All right, step 1. We're gonna take the mini volcano and put it on our tray. We need a tray. Let's find the tray. Take the mini volcano, put it on the tray. Add 3 scoops of baking soda into the volcano using the funnel.
What funnel?
Okay, this is our funnel. You're gonna put it up in here. No, the other way. This is so we can. All right, here we go. We're back. We're back. Let's see. What are we up to?
Do we use this thing too?
Not right now. All right, so we have added so far our vinegar, water, and our drops of red and yellow food coloring. Now we're mixing. Okay, give Kenzo a turn to mix, please.
And then me?
And then you can mix as well.
Whoa. Daddy, and how will we make explosion?
Well, you'll see.
Yeah, okay. How will we explode?
All right, let Xander have a mix.
What's that cup for?
We're gonna pour this into this so we can make it easier to pour into our volcano.
Can I do it? Whoa, it really is high.
All right, looks good, looks good. Let me have this.
That's what we can do.
Okay, let's put this to the side. Pour this into here now.
Lots of burn. A lot of it?
No. Let's see. Remove the funnel, then pour the contents of the tumbler into the volcano.
Can I do
All
it
right, it's time. Hold on now.
No, you spill it. No, you won't. Are you gonna pour it? There you can do it. And will they pour it into here?
No, we're gonna pour it directly into the volcano. All right. Let's see. Let me take this right here. Okay. Kenzo first. Just put a little go. Just a little bit at a time.
Stop. Explode. It's getting hot. It's going to erupt.
It's going to erupt.
I can't. I don't even know. Stop.
Keep going, keep going. Until you see it coming out of the volcano.
It's not coming out of it.
It's not coming out. All right, we might need some more.
Ooh. Much. I am not gonna look.
Oh, there it goes. Pour some more.
Can I do it now?
Yes.
More. Nothing is funny to watch. It's starting to erupt. It's not funny. Is my turn? No. Is that how over?
Cool.
It's erupting.
It's erupting.
Feel the lava?
No, let's leave that alone.
Okay, then don't make me laugh. Put all of it in there. It's erupting.
It's erupting.
Let me see. You guys, it's erupting.
All right, nice job, guys.
It's still erupting.
It's still erupting.
Wow. Maybe I have to move how loud.
But we did the project successfully this time.